Hello, welcome back everyone. All right, nice to see you back again. Thanks for tuning in. I've got a bit of a mix match again today. What I really wanted to do was the clothing video and also the table runner, but I just haven't had time. I had a really busy weekend, so I just didn't get a chance. I really wanted to do the clothing one, definitely. And then I was going to make a start on the flower, the table run, as I said. But honestly, I don't know where these last few days have gone. It's just gone just so quick. I just haven't had time. So I really want to, in the next video, definitely going to try and do the clothing one and the flower table runner at the weekend. So I've been down Aldi and just got me shopping, and I'm also doing a little DIY for somebody. So I thought I'll do one of them again, just so that I can upload something. So I've been down to Aldi. I'm not going to do the whole lot of Aldi because, you know, your breads, your milks, your stuff like that, you don't want to see all that boring stuff. But there was a couple of new things in my Aldi which have not been in there before. And you know I like a biscuit. These almond thins, they're called. Oh my God, they are so Moorish. They are wafer thin. I'll show you. I'll open it up and show you. But they've got white chocolate on the back. Very thin slices of almond. Come in a silver foil packet bit. I don't know how much they were. I think they was over £1. Oh God, I can't bloody open it. Hold on, I've got to find a pair of scissors now. Where's my scissors? Scissors. Who's got the scissors? All right, I'll find them in a minute, guys. But anyway, if you look on the thing, you can see they've got white chocolate here, very thin, and little thin slices of almond. They are really Moorish. I've already had one box, which was actually, no, I haven't had one box today. I went on when I did my previous one, my previous Aldi shop, and I bought them then. And yeah, I've never seen them in there before, and I thought I've got to buy another box, so that's what I just wanted to share with you today now. So if you like biscuits and almond, white chocolate, fantastic. You don't get an awful lot in there. They don't last 5 minutes with me. We ate them at the weekend. They were absolutely lovely. And now I don't know whether I showed you this in the last Aldi one I did, but the smoked haddock. So if you haven't seen my videos and you like haddock, this is the proper smoked haddock. I'm pretty sure I've done this before. But again, so more really nice dinner that is. The southern fried chicken, this isn't new, but I just wanted to show you. These, I think, what are they, $2.99, something like that. They really taste nice, like out of Kentucky Fried Chicken. We have them with salad and jacket potatoes and that. So I just wanted to share that. It's a bit boring really, isn't it? Oh, these were new. Unicorn breaded chicken. Now, they might not be new in your one, but they're new in my one. My Maya is very fussy at the moment. She's going through one of them stages. When she was a baby, right up until probably she was a good, maybe, I don't know, a year old, something like that. She ate everything and anything. I put it down in front of her and she'd eat it. Now she's 3, the last kind of 6 months, her appetite has completely changed. It's one of them, it's that period in their little lives, you know what I mean, like 2 to 3 year old kind of thing. And she won't eat chicken. Now, I think chicken is one of the blandest meats you can get, and I don't, you know, what do you not like about chicken? And it's like I have to, she loves sausage, mash and beans, and I have to if I do carrots, I'll have to squish it all down and mash it in with the beans so she can't see them, you know, that kind of stuff. But these are called the unicorn breaded chicken, and I thought I'm going to try with them because it's got a unicorn on the front. I could probably bribe her and say, oh, look what Nanny's got. So I'm going to try them with her. So they're quite cute. Again, I don't know what the price is, guys, because I don't know where my receipt is, but they're probably about £1.50, £2, something like that. Now, these were new in mine as well. Biodegradable baby wipes. It's not as big as the other... what do you call it, Mamia baby stuff. They're not as big as the other packets, but they're biodegradable ones. So it's suitable for sensitive skin, including newborns. 99% water-based. So I'm presuming if they're biodegradable, you might be able to flush them down the toilet. And it, yeah, plastic-free wipes, so there's no other toxins or nothing else in them. Fragrance-free. I don't know whether you can put them down the toilet, actually. Doesn't say. No. Recycle with bags that, oh, no, okay. Oh no, it actually says do not flush down the toilet. Dispose of in a waste bin. Oh, okay, then I think we'd throw them down the toilet. I thought, because it says biodegradable, I think throw them down the toilet. Okay, so you can't then. But anyway, got them for the baby. Has anyone ever had triple cooked beef dripping chips? What is triple cooked chips? Does anyone know? Does it mean they've been cooked 3 times? I haven't got a clue. So I did them this evening with the pulled pork in there, and actually they're quite nice, but triple chips, beef dripping chips. I thought I've got to show you them. I think that's quite funny. Oh my God, this is new in mine as well. Look at this. Strawberry and Prosecco flavoured cream. It's in a little jar. Look at that. Well, when I was in there last week, or the week before, whenever it was, they never had this in there then. Strawberry and Prosecco flavoured cream. It's in a jar. It was in the cream section. I'm going to get a spoon. I'm going to try it. Or should I just dip my finger in it? I don't know. Look. It smells of strawberries. Hold on, I'm going to get a spoon. Hold on, hold on. It does smell of strawberries. I don't know about the Prosecco. Okay, I'm going to try a little bit. It's quite nice actually. I could probably just eat the whole tub. It's like ice cream. Or yogurt. I can't taste Prosecco, but I can taste strawberry. It's all right. Sweetened cream with Prosecco and strawberry flavour. I mean, it's only got 2% Prosecco in it anyway. It's all right. I thought it was going to be like one of them wow factors, you know, you taste and go, oh my God, oh, that's absolutely delicious. But no, it's all right. You know, as cream goes, I suppose. You could, I mean, you could make that yourself, like the chantilly cream. I make lovely chantilly cream, and I have the double cream, whip it all up so it's nice and thick. I put a little bit of tea Maria in it and a tiny little bit of icing sugar. Beautiful. Now that I could eat a tub of. Now I've just got to show you this because this just makes me laugh, right? My Sean likes a bun. And these, that you know the Belgian buns? Those? Well, Sean calls them tip buns. So when I go shopping, he always says to me, Nick, can you get me some tip buns? And obviously you know why. But so I just had to share that with you, right? These tip buns. And of course, and I've probably showed you this before, but if anyone, again, who hasn't watched my videos, this is, if you like sparkling white wine, hasn't got to be Prosecco, I'm just talking, you know, any sparkling white wine, this is really, really nice. I really recommend this. It's the French one, Fleurs de Paris, sparkling white wine. It's very, very nice. And I'm going to keep this bottle because I'm going to do something with this. Because I like the pattern on it. It's like florally pattern all down the bottom. So really like that. So yeah, give that one a go. This I think is it $4.99? Might be about $4.99. And then the last little thing I was going to show you, does anyone bake their camembert? I've only done it a couple of times. Now that's quite Moorish. The one at Christmas I got was in a little wooden casing, what you put in the oven, but this one hasn't, it's just in the cardboard. So I would presume you just put that in an oven baked dish and put it in the oven that way. But very nice, lovely garlic bread, dip it in the middle, outside in the summer. you know, on your garden table when you're all dipping with your bread. Very nice, very nice. Why did I just do it? Honestly, sometimes I amaze myself when I'm just talking a load of old nonsense. So that's it really for the little Aldi bits. I just wanted to show you those new bits. So I'm going to whip the camera over this side, and I'm just going to go through the little DIY. It's only a little one, it's not nothing major, but just as I'm doing it anyway, I just thought I'd show you. Right. So onto the little DIY. So you remember the pots I did, those ones there. What I'm going to do with this one is tip it upside down and use this bit as my base for my flower ball. So I'm going to do a little DIY on flower ball. So there's my foam ball, and I've started to put the roses in it, and then it's going to end up on here like this, right? I know you think, okay, right, well, keep with me, right? Just stay with me. It'll be fine. I'm just going to tip the camera forward a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Let's bring it down a little bit. Oh, sorry guys. Right, okay, see it? So basically I'm just going round all the roses, cut the stems off, like I've done before, and you just keep going round. These little foam balls, you can pick these up like for about £1. Hobby, I call it Hobby Lobby, but Hobbycraft do them. Cut a few more bits off. Hobbycraft do them, the Range do them. I think you can get them on, you can probably get them on Amazon, eBay. I bought actually mine from the Range, because I think they're £1 a ball in the Range. I have bought them on Amazon as well actually, because you can get a bit more for your money on Amazon. And eBay, I bought them on eBay as well. You get quite a few on there as well, quite a few in a packet off of eBay as well. So, let me just keep going for a minute. So you get the idea, yeah? How I'm doing. I'm just doing this colour because it was a colour somebody wanted. They wanted like this grey, kind of silvery grey look. It's quite a nice colour actually. So I'm just going to keep going. So you can get the idea of how we're going with this. How's everyone doing anyway? Everyone all right? Any dramas going on anywhere? Still got all this COVID stuff going on, honestly. Listening about the weddings, I think it's really sad that people can't have you know, loads of people when they, like for instance my niece, my goddaughter rather, she's supposed to be getting married like in June and obviously couldn't, and she's saved up, bless her, and you know, it's really sad that she can't have loads of people to a wedding. She's had to rebook it to October now. But do you know what? I don't even think it's going to go ahead properly then. I think it would just be like family and friends. Sorry, not family and friends. I think it would just be like immediate family only. I don't think she's going to be able to have the amount of people she wants. So can you see how I'm going with this? I'm just going to put a bit more. I might have to take it off actually. Put it on the... Tip the camera down a little bit more. Well, I'll just finish these last bits. What I wanted was some more white. But you get the idea. I'm running out of white, guys, so I'll have to go and get a couple more white ones. Hold, bear with me. Put another one round there a minute. And just grab some whites. I've got Rick Astley playing in the background. Remember that song back in the 80s? Love it. Oh, I can't even get this open there. Oh, there we go. So let's get some more whites out. come on there for a minute. Right, let's just have one more. Can't get that one in. Sometimes polystyrene is a little bit hard, you know, can't get the bloody things in. So I have to use a skewer sometimes to poke it. Okay, right, see? Now I've just randomly put these, let's tip the camera back again. I've just randomly put these in all over the place, but you get the gist of what I'm trying to say here. So there's your bald bit there. So you can just shove that in the hole like this. Right, tip it upside down. Again, I'm only roughly doing this. One of the flowers have come out, hold on. Back in there. Right, now I'm going to bring the camera down so you can see. And there you go. So it's just another, now that looks quite pretty. So it's just another little DIY project. You know what I've just done? As I've tried to move the camera, then I stopped the video. I pressed my finger on it. Stupid cow. Take the notes of me. But anyway, what I was trying to say was this is the idea. So you've got your nice little flower ball on the top there and your little base like this. And obviously you don't have to have all this bling around it. I've just done it for a little DIY project just for the purpose of showing you what you could look like. So there you go. Have a little DIY. And I've got my scissors ready here. Look, so I'm going to show you. Do you remember I was talking about those things? I had the scissors, now I've lost them again. Oh, where they are. Oh, mine, bloody hell. I stabbed myself. Right, these are these little thins. I just wanted to quickly show you. I'll get them out. Hold on. Oh, they're broke. Oh no, there you go, look. That's it, that they are wafer thin. That's your white chocolate on the back. And then you can just see some little almond bits there. It's another one with almond bits in. This, honestly, they're so Moorish. So in a minute, when I turn this off, I'm actually going to sit down and have a hot milk with these little thins. No wine today. No Prosecco, no mimosas. But yes, so I'm just touching the little flower ball, trying to get it all right. Do you know, I don't know what to talk about half the time. Guys, it's been lovely having you back again. I really want to do the clothing video, as I said earlier, and the table runner as well. I'm really going to try and do that. I'm going to try and do it this week if I can. I might do like a double video at the weekend, like maybe do Friday, might do the clothing one, and maybe Sunday the table runner. But I'll see if I can get both of those videos up. Yeah, that's it really from me. Actually, one more thing. I know I like my tie-dye. I've got to show you this. This again is another one of my little, put the camera down a bit, hold on. This is one of my little finds from Florida. It's actually legs, look. It's like baggy, what are they called? Oh, I can't think what they're called. But anyway, if I come back a bit more, you can see, look. And it's little thin straps. But because I get hot, you know, things like this are perfect for me, and they cover all your lumps and bumps. But I'll show you this properly when I do with the clothing bit. But again, this is my little TK Maxx find from Florida. So have a look if you go in there, because they do have a lot of our stuff as well, what they have over here. Yeah, so have a little look. And on that note, everybody, I'm just going to move the camera back to the good. That's it. I can't hold it, it's my back, my arm ache, so I've got my little stand. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you all in a few days' time, all right? See you soon. Bye.